Goedemorgen, good morning, kotso, bonjour, privet. Today I'm going to show you how to turn that mess into this. The reason you might want to do this is that it is so much easier to keep one or two of these in your car or in your handbag or in your picnic basket or your baby bag or whatever it is that you carry with you around every day. Not only in case you end up doing some shopping so that you have shopping bags with you, but in case there's anything wet or dirty that you want to keep contained, or maybe when you're on a picnic to put all the rubbish in so you can safely discard it at home. Whatever the reason may be, this is much easier and to contain than that, which no matter how many times you scrunch it up, keeps on opening again. And yes, this is the same bag as this. So how do we do this? Well, to start off with, slightly open up the bag. And then I strongly suggest you try to open up the handles. This bag doesn't seem to be too badly scrunched up. Oh, the side is. Just open it up. It will make it so much neater. Then at the bottom of the bag and the top of the bag, pull it so you have a straight edge. Same on the other side. Open up the top, pull it into a straight edge. You don't need to do this if you don't mind a scrumpled bag, but if you would like the bag to stay in shape, as flat as possible, those few seconds of straightening up the bag actually makes a big difference. Then make sure that this fold of the bag is on the inside and flatten it. Both sides. So that now you have, although crumpled, you have a straight flattened bag. Take one half of the bag, fold it to the other, straighten it out, fold it in half lengthwise again, then turn the ear side away from you and starting at the bottom, fold the corner up to a triangle and fold it up again over the triangle. Keep on folding upwards, straightening out and flattening it as you go. Over, up, over, up, over, until you get to the end. Then you locate the nearest flap that these ears can safely go into. Sometimes that will be on this side of the bag. Sometimes it will be on that side of the bag. Tuck it all in nicely. And there you have one folded bag. Let's do that again. Straighten out so you can see what is where. Flatten up the handle part and give them a little pull so they flatten into their folds. Straightening it out, making sure that those folds are all going into there. Go in it as they're supposed to do. With one flattened bag, fold it in half lengthwise, flatten, fold in half, flatten, starting from the bottom edge, not the ears. Fold up into one corner so that this corner here turns into a sharp point, and fold it up against that fold, keeping it flat. Fold it over and up, over, up, over, up, over, up. And then if I fold it one more, there's very little bit of the ears to tuck in. If I roll it one back, I can tuck it in here, and then there's a lot of ears to tuck in. It will be slightly more bulky but more secure if you tuck in more of the ears. Handles. They look like ears, don't they? And there you have it. Have fun crafting. See you next time.